So again we are here for electrostatics, and actually in this video we will discuss about the electric dipole. Means we will discuss some basic information about the electric dipole. First of all, we will see what is dipole, then dipole moment, net charge of the dipole, net electric field of the dipole. So obviously we will discuss some basic points about the electric dipole, and after that in next video we will derive the equations of the electric field on the axis of the dipole. Then we will discuss the electric field on the equator of the dipole. So in this video actually we will discuss some basic, because it is very useful, because when we deal with the questions of electric dipole, like it is based, suppose it is based on Gauss theorem or flux or any topic, चार्ज डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन, और जैसे चार्ज डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन में तो सिंपल है कि कंटिन्यूस चार्ज डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन, बट इफ़ देर इज़ अ डिस्क्रीट चार्ज डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन, तो ऐसे क्वेश्चंस में हमें कहीं ना कहीं उसका एक हेल्प मिल जाता है। और मीन्स एक हमारे दिमाग में एक आइडिया होना चाहिए कि व्हाट इज़ द डाइपोल एंड व्हाट इज़ द बेसिक इंफॉर्मेशन एंड व्हाट इज़ द बेसिक रोल ऑफ डाइपोल। एक्चुअली डाइपोल है क्या, थोड़ा बहुत हमें ये भी पता होना चाहिए। सो पहले तो उसका डेफिनेशन देते हैं, अ वेरी सिंपल डेफिनेशन, अ पेयर ऑफ equal and opposite equal and opposite charges. Equal, it means equal in magnitude, and opposite का मतलब है opposite in polarity, separated by a small vector distance, a small vector distance. So this sentence is actually very important, is called an electric dipole. So a pair of equal and opposite charges separated by a small vector distance is called an electric dipole. So this is the definition, or from the definition we will draw the picture, means उसको हम थोड़ा visualize करेंगे कैसा होता है। Separated by a small vector distance, so pair of equal and opposite. So this is the pair of equal and opposite charges. See, this is negative charge, this is positive charge, and both are same in magnitude, and separated by a small vector distance. So this is the vector distance, and normally हमने उसको ऐसा लिया है कि negative charge is on the reference point or on the origin, and actually we are taking the position of positive charge with respect to negative charge. So obviously this vector distance will be directed from negative charge to positive charge, and this vector distance is given by this symbol 2a. एक्चुअली अलग अलग टेक्स्ट बुक में अलग अलग होता है, 2l भी हो सकता है या 2a, तो दैट इज द डाइपोल डिस्टेंस. दिस इज डाइपोल डिस्टेंस between the two charges of the dipole, so it is dipole distance. Second thing, a line passing through the dipole like this line is known as axial line, or it is also known as axis of the dipole. So very simple definition of a dipole axis or axial line, कि भाई a line passing through the dipole axis, this is dipole axis, is this line is called the electric, means axial line of the electric dipole. Then line passing through the perpendicular bisector of the dipole distance. This is dipole distance 2a, this distance, and very important point. Generally, we put the midpoint of the dipole distance on the origin of the Cartesian coordinate system. It means this actually coincides with the origin of the Cartesian coordinate system. So when we discuss the dipole or some quantities related to the dipole, so midpoint or middle point or the center, it is also known as the center of the dipole. So we will take always center of the dipole on the origin of the Cartesian coordinate system, and perpendicular to this means this one. This is known as equatorial line. This is known as equatorial line, and a very important point, the strength of the dipole. Strength of the dipole means this dipole negative means a pair of negative and positive charge equal in magnitude. So strength of dipole is measured by electric dipole moment or dipole moment. So strength of the dipole is measured by the electric dipole moment, or it is simply known as dipole moment. Obviously its formula is given by this equation, means dipole moment P is equal to 2A into Q. Very simple formula. Magnitude of any one charge into dipole distance, and this dipole distance is a small vector distance, and actually it is directed from negative charge to positive charge. So obviously dipole moment is also directed from negative charge to positive charge. Obviously its SI unit will be coulomb into meter. Coulomb into meter, and dimensional formula will be L1 A1 T1. L1 is for meter, A1 T1 is for the coulomb. So this is the dimensional formula of dipole moment. And actually dipole moment is a vector quantity, because here there is a small vector distance, and because of this we can say that it is directed along the direction of 2A, and it is from negative charge to positive charge. Now if we take a dipole, electric dipole means system of two charges. It is actually a system of two charges. So its net charge will be 0. Q net of the dipole will be 0. And second thing, here electric field is actually directed from positive charge to negative charge. Directed from positive charge to negative charge, because पॉजिटिव चार्ज के लिए आउटवर्ड होता है और नेगेटिव चार्ज के लिए इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इनवर्ड होता है. So its direction will be from positive charge to negative charge. So this is the basic information about the electric dipole. Thank you so much.